Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be going over everything that I got in my Ipsy X Huda Beauty box for November of 2021. I am so excited. I've already opened this up because I did play with the Huda Beauty khaki palette that came in here. I did a quick little chill eye look that I will have up ASAP for you guys. So let me just go ahead and show you the first product I got in my box, which is this palette here. So gorgeous, so pretty. Love it so much. The eye look came out so great. So happy I picked this so much. I'm so excited. Okay, so if you guys are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you've already clicked on this video and you're watching. Go ahead, click subscribe. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, I am so excited to show you in person everything that I got. I did go over my choices and stuff like that. So if you haven't seen that, you can go check that out and see if we had the same choices. Here is my little magazine. I'm so excited. There's Huda. I love her. Her makeup brand is just to die for. It's so good. I really wish I would have gotten the perfume, which I do have it. Hold on, let me find it. Okay, I got this for free, I think, when I made a purchase a while ago, and it's the little collection of all of the different scents here, and I don't even know like what it smells like. I never tried it. So you have the vanilla, the musk, the citrus, and the elixir. So I'm just gonna spray the vanilla just so I can see what it smells like and see if I missed out or not. But a lot of you say it's like so good. I missed out. That smells really good. Okay, now I'm really sad, but at least I have a little sample perfume because I don't go through perfume that fast. Okay, so my very first product in here is a product that I've already had before in BoxyCharm. I keep it in my shower, but I'm so happy to have a second one. This is a PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. These babies are like hundreds of dollars. They're currently on sale, I think right now at Sephora for still like $100 or something. So it's great to see that we are getting this in here, even though a lot of people are upset because they got it in BoxyCharm. But I mean, you know, not everyone has BoxyCharm. Everybody is kind of like they have one or the other, so it's kind of like it's not really a repeat. But here it is. It vibrates. It comes with a battery, and I love cleaning my face with this. I always have it with me in my shower. Love it so much. And yeah, I guess I'll fiddle with that in a minute, but yeah, this is it. It's kind of like a peachy color, super cute, love it. And then my next product in here is from Wishful, which is the skincare line from Huda Beauty, which a lot of people didn't know. So I've had comments of people saying that they did not get anything Huda in their box. They got one Huda product in their box, but they actually got more than that because they did not know that the Wishful brand is Huda's brand. So I got the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub Gommage, and I'm so extremely excited because I've always wanted to try this. And honestly, I love cleansers. So this is what it looks like. Super, super pretty. So excited about this. So deeply excited about this. And then another product is the Gold Fountain MD Solution Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. Dr. Gold Fountain Smoothing Serum is the ultimate non-invasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth. I think I actually am going to give this a try, only because I just really need to get working on this face, which I say all the time and I never do, but I need to. I really do. I need to stop and just get it done. Okay, so next up, Rare Beauty. This is the Transcend shade, the Positive Light Liquid Illuminizer. I did not try this from her brand, but I have tried her liquid blush. That one was okay. I did declutter it and sell it on my Poshmark because it wasn't my favorite, but I do have two of her other cream blushes that come with a little compact. I've tried her foundation, absolutely hate it, and I've tried her primer once, wasn't a fan. So I'm like, oh no, because I just kind of like want to love it, but it doesn't work for me. But this, however, is super pretty. but I don't know if this color is going to work. It might be too dark. Let me give it a swatch. Yeah, this might be too dark for me, which is going to be really sad. Let me try and shear it out and see what it does. It's definitely got an oily texture to it. Hopefully that doesn't break makeup down, but I have a feeling this is going to give me dark cast, so I'm not going to be able to use this, unfortunately, which is very, very sad, but I'll probably just throw it up on my Poshmark or something. And then the next product in here I'm actually really excited about as well. I have one of these already in another shade. This is the Huda Beauty Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Dirty Thoughts, and I love this lip balm. I use it all the time, and this is what it looks like. It looks like the tip of it touched the top, but how gorgeous is this lipstick? I mean, come on. It's so cute. I love it so much. I wonder if this is going to have much of a... Ooh, I think mine's broke. Yeah, mine is broke. Okay, there we go. I pushed it back in. It was like popping out. Okay, I fixed it. Okay. Yeah, see, you don't need more than one of these, so I will probably use this when I run out, but since it's a balm, you can't really see the color of it, but the sparkles are really, really pretty. They're not like too crazy, and I know you can't feel the glitter in them at all, so that's great. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. I'm almost done with my products. Okay, next product I got is from Patrick Ta, which I'm so excited about. This is the Major Glow Softening Lip Mask, and in the shade She's Juicy, or the flavor. I am so beyond excited. I only have like one other Patrick Ta product and I haven't even used it yet. Don't ask me why, I just haven't. Oop. I dropped the little lid part, but this is what it looks like on the inside. And it smells like peppermint. So yummy. I am going to say definitely keep your little top on here so you don't dry out your product. And I'm going to keep this product either in here to use every day or on my nightstands. And then the last product in here is from Ofra, which you guys can use my code Connor to save 20% off your purchase, or maybe it's Connor Krystyn, I can't remember. I think it's just Connor though, but I'll have it linked below. And this is the Midi Palette Sitting Pretty. We have the shade Pink Satin, Soho, and Peachy Paradise in here. I don't have the Soho highlighter, which is so great. Here's the packaging, and I'm so excited. Look how beautiful this palette is. Absolutely love it. It's a dream. So I'm going to swatch these shades really quick. One sec. So here are the two blushes and the highlighter. Sorry about the swatch. It's not the best, but I'm so excited for this. I love Ofra so much. And the fact that I'm an Ofra affiliate too makes me just so happy because that's like been a dream of mine. But that's everything that I got. Now that I have everything in front of me, I'm so excited about this box. And I got all makeup items except for two. Well, this isn't really a makeup item, but it gets rid of your makeup. But I mean, these are the only two non-makeup items. I'm so excited. I got, you know, this here, which I can't really use because it's not my shade. I wish the lighter shade would have been in here, but I feel like that one was one of the best sellers, so of course we're probably not going to get it. We usually get things that don't sell as well, you guys already know, but yeah, I'm so excited about it. Let me know what you got down below, and if you were excited about it. I know some people are like very bummed, but this is such a good box. This is my favorite box, and yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!